So the question is, the base period, intensity of irrigation and the duty of water for various crops under the canal system are given. Determine the reservoir capacity if the cultivable command area is 40,000 hectares, canal losses are 25% and reservoir losses are 15%. So in the first column they have given crops, various crops, and the second column is base period in days, and the third column is duty of water at field hectare per meter, and the last column is irrigation intensity percentage. So to find the reservoir capacity, we need to find the discharge required firstly. So to find the discharge required, we need to find the area to be irrigated, so that we can find the total quantity of water required for the field. So by knowing the total quantity of water required, we can find the volume of water required at the canal head. By that we can find the storage capacity of the reservoir. So first pause the video and write the question in your classwork note, and then we can proceed with the solution. So now, as I said earlier, to find the discharge required, we need to find the area to be irrigated. So for finding the area to be irrigated, cultivable command area is 40,000 hectares, which is given in the question, and irrigation intensity in percentage is also given in the question in the tabular form, right, for the various crops. So to find the area to be irrigated, you can multiply cultivable command area into the intensity of irrigation in percentage, so that you will get the answer in terms of hectares. And for finding the discharge required, we are knowing that area to be irrigated divided by the duty of water for that particular field in hectares per meter cube per second. So already area to be irrigated is in hectares, and the given duty of water is in hectares per meter cube per second. Now you can find the discharge required in terms of cubic for the various crops given in the question. So the various crops are wheat, sugarcane, cotton, rice and vegetables. So you have to find separately discharge required according to the duty of the water given and the area to be irrigated found in the previous step. I think now you have to remember this. The total water supplied on the field is 1 into base into 24 into 60 into 60. I have already mentioned this in the previous the relationship between the duty and delta, then how we have arrived at the delta equation, right? I hope you remember this. So kindly note this down, and you can also verify the previous videos if you want. Okay, so now we'll move on to the problem again. So now we are knowing the discharge required, right? And also the base period in days is also given in the question. So now you can find the total quantities of water required at the field for each crops. So after finding the each crop total quantity, you can find the total volume of the water required at the field in terms of meter cube. So now in the problem they have given the canal losses 25, right? So that is 100 minus 25 is equal to 75. That is 100 is the full amount of water, and in that 25 percentage is the loss, so we have 75%. So 100 divided by 75 into total volume of required water, so which we have found already. So if you use this, then you can find the answer for the volume of water required at the head of canal with 25% of loss in meter cube, right? So now for storage capacity of reservoir required, in the question paper they have given that reservoir loss is 15%. So 100 minus 15, so again the 100 is a full amount of water, so minus 50% of loss is 85, and so we can have 100 by 85 into volume of water required, right? So which we have found in the previous step. So this will bring you the reservoir capacity. So that's your final answer.